Hi. Okay, for this tutorial, I'll be conducting a multiple regression with two unordered sets of predictors. I must determine how well the criterion is predicted by each set of predictors, which in this example are the lower body and upper body measures of strength. In addition, I want to determine how well each set of variable predicts the criterion over and above the other set. We will do this by examining the change in R. To evaluate how well the criterion is predicted by the lower body strength measures called set 1 and by the upper body strength measures set 2 over and above the lower body strength measures. These are the steps that we will follow. We're going to go to analyze again, and on analyze we're going to click regression and then linear. On the linear regression analog box, we're going to do reset to clear the dialog box. And the first set that we're going to select is going to be quads. Hold the control key down, quads, gluts, abdominals, and we're going to move it to the independent box. Then once they appear in the independent box, we're going to click next, and then we're going to click the second set of predictors, and this second set will be arms and grips. And we're going to move that again, move it over to the independent box. And next we're going to click on injury and move it over to the dependent box. And then we're going to select statistics, and we're going to notice that the default options have been selected, which is estimates and model fit. We're going to go ahead and select confidence intervals, R squared change, descriptives, and part and partial correlations. Once we've selected that, we're going to click on continue and OK. Okay, so since I mentioned that we're going to look at the R change, examine the change in R squared, we're going to go straight to that. Okay, the relationship, so I'm going to go down to the model summary, which shows us the change, the R squared changed. Okay, the relationship between the lower body measures and the injury index was significant. R squared, this is set to R squared is equal to 16. This is here, right here. And R squared is equal to 16. And adjusted R squared is equal to 13. And we look at the R squared change, we see it's also 16. And so the upper body strength measures did not predict significantly over and above the lower body measures. The R squared change for lower body measures being 0.02, and the F change being 1.29.